NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by peeling back the ends of the label at the base of your TomTom. Remove the two screws revealed using the tool provided in your kit from NewPower99.com. Carefully open your TomTom using the plastic shim tool provided. Remove the three screws securing the circuit board as shown. Carefully lift the circuit board and disconnect the original battery. Gently pry out the original battery. Connect your new extended life battery from NewPower99.com. Place a strip of double-sided tape in the battery compartment. Place your new battery onto the double-sided tape. Return the circuit board to its original position as shown. Replace the three screws to secure the circuit board. Attach the faceplate of your TomTom. Replace the 2 screws under the ends of the label. Turn on your TomTom with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your TomTom should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.